Welcome to 2D electrical drafting, tool suite to work within the AutoCAD environment for electrical drafting. It doesn't have any engineering capability, but just makes your drafter more efficient and saves time, and is highly customizable. There's an overview video that you should look at if you haven't seen it already. It shows a lighting layout being done and a power layout being done. It shows all the tools coming together. It doesn't go into depth on anything, doesn't show you how anything is done, but just shows what can be done and how quickly it can be done. It's about 28 minutes long or so, and does 10,000 square feet or so very quickly. So watch that. We've already done some of the in-depth commands. The next one that we're doing right now is alternating commands. This will be quick. The only remaining major video is fixture types. So we have major commands of fixture types, fixture layout, join fixture whips, and conduit. The rest of them are really just utilities that'll go very quickly, and this is one of them, alternating commands. So let's start it. I clicked on it already. Comes up in a box with two pull downs. First command and second command, one's on the left, one's on the right, and there's a reason for that. You'll see here in a second. So there's only 6 options, and both of them have the same 6 options. When you first open it, the left one is defaulted to duplex, DUP, and the right one is defaulted to telephone, TEL. So let's click OK. And look down at the command line. It says click left mouse for left command. It should say first command because it didn't say left and right. It said first and second. Right mouse button for right command. Anything else closes alternating insert. So I'm going to click the left and get the duplex. So there, I just got the duplex. Let's see, my O snaps are off right now, and it's looking for a point. It's looking for a nearest point. So I just gave it, and now it's looking for a rotation. It doesn't have to be snapped to anything. Right now I've got my puller on, and there, I've inserted a duplex. Now I'm going to right click, and I've got a telephone data outlet. And it also is looking for a nearest, even though my snaps are off. I give it the point and insert, and now I'm going to left click and get the receptacle again, and let's say I don't give it anything. It's looking for a nearest. I don't give it to it. I give it somewhere out in the middle of the room. Okay, it didn't work. It's still there, and now I can pick anywhere and put it, but I'm still in the command. So I right clicked, and now I have the telephone outlet, and left click data, or duplex. Right click, I got the phone. Left click, I got the duplex. Left click, I get another duplex, and now I'm going to hit enter, and now I've exited the command. So if I left click, it just clicks on the screen. Let's start the command again and pick a different, let's say 2 duplex, for which is a double duplex, and dedicated duplex. So left click gets a double duplex, right click gets the dedicated duplex, which that's what we call it. That's what our symbol looks like. If your symbol looks like that and it means something else, whatever, just go with it. For us, what it really means, according to our symbols list, is a 20 amp rated device, and these are 15, and that's what it means for us. Left click, double duplex, right click, the darkened end one. Let me hit enter and get out of it, and then there's one other capability that it has that and see how it defaulted back to duplex and telephone. That's something that it'll stay with every time you start it. So I've never even do this part, but we also have conduit and home run as options. So you click OK. Left click starts the conduit command. You have to have seen that video first for this to make sense. Now I'm going to hit enter and get out of it. I'm going to right click and get a home run. Now I'm going to left click and start the conduit again. Now I'm going to hit spacebar to get out of it. Right click to get the home run again. Left click to get the conduit again. Go with an arc this time. Flip it. Stretch it. Again, you have to have seen the video. Right click for the home run. Now hit enter to get out of it. And when you find yourself doing something repeating between two commands back and forth, hopefully those two commands are one of the, 6 or 7 options. And if not, there's no way for you to add it. I guess you could write me or use our Facebook page at 2D Electrical Drafting and ask for it. And maybe it'll be in our next iteration. Right now we're at a beta version numbered 13.0. We'll get to everything as people ask for it. Thanks for your time. Again, don't forget to look at the overview video. We hope that this is available. We haven't even submitted it yet to Autodesk. We hope that it's on the Autodesk application store. I don't know if you can call it that. I think they got in trouble with Apple at one time or another. I can't remember what they call it. It's available. AutoDesk Exchange Apps. It's available through that X up there in the corner, or hopefully will be someday soon. So we hope to be on the Autodesk Exchange Apps in the first quarter of 2013, and that's what we're doing. Thanks for your time.